Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, log into the operator control plane with admin credentials and open the service dashboard. Verify SSH or console access to the primary node and pull the last 72 hours of logs and a current config snapshot. While you're connected, list active operator service ID and note any recent deployments or maintenance windows. This identifies potential triggers. Once done, lock a terminal session for consistent timestamps so later comparisons match precisely. Next, run focused diagnostics. Check the operator service processes, thread counts, and memory usage versus your baseline to catch leaks or spikes. Run built-in health probes and API endpoint checks, then test connectivity to dependencies like databases, message queues, and auth services. Correlate timestamps in logs to isolate the exact failing component and time window. If a dependency fails, replicate the request path to confirm causation before making changes to finally apply the minimal targeted repair. A config rollback, a patch, or a staged restart of affected operator instances. Once applied, run smoke tests and validation scripts and monitor the service and related metrics for 15 to 30 minutes to ensure stability. If things go wrong, immediately collect expanded logs with increased verbosity, preserve timestamps, and escalate with the exact steps you took. That single troubleshooting tip, capture expanded logs before deeper changes, saves time and prevents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.